Pro tips for acing your driving test with confidence. 1. Practice regularly. Build up your confidence by practicing driving consistently before the test. 2. Know the rules. Study the road rules and signs thoroughly to ensure you understand them. 3. Mock tests. Take practice tests to familiarize yourself with the exam format and reduce anxiety. 4. Get proper rest. Ensure you are well rested and alert on the day of your test. 5. Stay positive. Believe in your abilities and stay positive throughout the test. 6. Focus on the task at hand. Concentrate on driving safely and following instructions without getting flustered. 7. Ask questions. If unsure about any instructions, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. 8. Relax. Take deep breaths to calm nerves before and during the test. 9. Visualize success. Picture yourself passing the test successfully to boost confidence. 10. Learn from mistakes. If you make a mistake during the test, stay focused and carry on. One mistake does not mean failure.